Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Cryptocoryne Petchii. Cryptocoryne Petchii is an aquatic plant known for its striking color variation from light green to browns, often with hints of purple or reddish brown. It's a relatively small species in the Cryptocoryne genus, making it an excellent choice for foreground planting in aquariums. Cryptocoryne Petchii is native to Sri Lanka, where it grows in slow-moving rivers and streams. The Cryptocoryne genus comprises numerous species of aquatic plants that thrive in freshwater environments. Many species in this genus are popular among aquarists for their resilience and aesthetic appeal. Cryptocoryne Petchii was named after Dr. T.P. Petch, a botanist known for his work in tropical botany. The Petchii is a small, compact aquatic plant that forms rosettes of lance-shaped leaves. The leaves can vary in color, ranging from light green to reddish brown, often with a slight purple tint on the underside. The plant reaches an average height of 4 to 6 inches, making it ideal for foreground and midground placement in aquariums. Its delicate, ruffled leaves create a soft, flowing texture in the water, adding visual interest to aquascapes. Like many other Cryptocoryne species, it has a characteristic of adapting its leaf shape and color based on the water parameters and light conditions in which it's grown. Cryptocoryne Petchii is a relatively easy plant to grow, suitable for beginners and advanced aquarists alike. It prefers moderate to low light conditions, which help maintain its compact growth. High light can cause the plant to grow taller and more leggy. It thrives in a nutrient-rich substrate, and supplementing with root tabs or liquid fertilizers can enhance its color and overall health. The plant can adapt to a wide range of water parameters, with an ideal temperature between 72 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. It is known for being sensitive to sudden changes in water conditions, which may cause crypt melt, where the leaves temporarily wither, though new growth typically follows once conditions stabilize. Petchii is well suited for aquariums with other slow-growing plants such as Anubias, Java fern, and other Cryptocoryne species. Fish species like tetras, razoboras, peaceful cichlids are ideal companions, as they won't disturb the plant's delicate root system. One of the most interesting behaviors of the Petchii is its ability to adjust its appearance based on environmental factors. Under high light and nutrient-rich conditions, the plant may display more vibrant colors, such as bronze or reddish hues. In lower light, it tends to remain more green. Like many Cryptocoryne species, Petchii is prone to crypt melt, where its leaves may die off when it's first introduced to a new tank or when water parameters change suddenly. However, the plant usually recovers with new, healthy growth after adjusting to the new environment. In their native regions, some species of Cryptocoryne have been used in traditional medicine. These plants have been utilized for their anti-inflammatory properties, although Petchii specifically is not commonly used for medicinal purposes. Cryptocoryne Petchii is a versatile and attractive plant that adds a pop of color and texture to any aquarium. Its ability to adapt to various conditions, along with its compact size and delicate leaves, makes it a favorite among aquarists. Cryptocoryne Petchii is an excellent choice that offers both beauty and resilience. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant profiles.